Alright, this is rayaBrayan with sprint3. First thing I will do is load this up. Oh, here it is. So first thing you'll notice on the screen is two critters will enter the screen automatically. That is the flea and the scorpion. The scorpion will traverse the screen horizontally, while the flea will do it vertically. The flea will generate random mushrooms along its path, and the scorpion will transform mushrooms along its path into poisonous mushrooms. Currently, there is no difference to the centipede head whether a mushroom is poisonous or not. It will just follow its designated pattern of going all the way to the bottom of the screen. But that will be implemented within the next sprint. So here you'll see the scorpion going across the screen, changing mushrooms. Right there you see it change one of the mushrooms into a poisonous one. And on this side of the screen where the player is, you see a line of mushrooms that was generated just on the flea alone. Here you'll see me kill a centipede head, and it will transform into a mushroom, just as within the game. Again, everything else from the previous sprints has either been left the same, maybe a few tweaks, but not worth going into detail right now. Currently there is no body section. I've run into a few problems with that, but it's coming along. The two big things that change between this sprint and the previous one is the introduction of factories. So I introduced a mushroom factory to recycle mushroom pointers using this stack right here. A lot of it is basically a carbon copy of what was done in class, but on the contrast of this one, I've also created a bullet factory, which instead of using a stack, uses a single pointer of a bullet, and also a limiter to decide whether to create a new bullet and whether or not to recycle that bullet. On top of that, the scorpion is right here in the scorpion.cpp. It traverses across the screen, and a lot like the flea, the properties are generally kept the same. Its death is implemented. Its collision system with bullets is also implemented. The only thing that was missed in the sprint was the centipede body, but it's currently being worked on. Thank you.